Hello viewers, this is Basit Muhammad from English Language and Literature. Are you confused about when to use at, on, or in when talking about time? If so, then you shouldn't miss this video lecture. I will explain in detail the proper use of prepositions with respect to time. So, make sure to tune in. Without any further delay, let's get started. At is used for the time of the day. Tick-tock, tick-tock, when it comes to telling time, at is the clock. Whether it's 2 o'clock, 12:30 p.m., or even dinner time, at is the preposition that helps us keep track of our daily schedules. And when the sun goes down and the sky is set ablaze with stunning shades of orange and red, at becomes the key to describing that magical moment, sunset. But what about when darkness falls and the clock strikes 12? That's right, it's at midnight. So, get ready to learn more. Let's look at on now. Days come and go, but with on, you'll never miss a special occasion. Whether it's a beloved friend's birthday, or a national holiday like Christmas Day or August 14, 1947, the Independence Day of Pakistan, on is the preposition that helps us pinpoint exactly when these special moments take place. So, mark your calendars, because on is the key to keeping track of all those important dates, from the anniversary of your first date, to your best friend's graduation ceremony, and everything in between. With on in your English language toolkit, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to keeping track of time. With this we move the preposition in. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Time marches on, and with in, you can mark the passing of time with precision and grace. Whether it's the warm lazy days of summer, or the crisp chill of December, in is the preposition that helps us describe longer periods of time. From years like 2023, to the exciting promise of the future, in is the key to marking the passage of time in English. And when it comes to decades like the 1980s or even centuries like the 21st, in helps us paint a vivid picture of the cultural and historical milestones that shaped those eras. Let's now move further and look at some more examples of the usage of at. Time flies, and sometimes we need the perfect preposition to capture the moment. Whether you're describing a specific moment in time, like at the moment or at the minute, or a more general time frame, like at present or at this time, prepositions are key to mastering the nuances of English language time descriptions. And when it comes to holidays like Christmas, or nighttime activities, at is the preposition that helps us pinpoint exactly when and where these moments take place. So, whether you're a night owl who loves to work after the sun goes down, or someone who cherishes the festive spirit of Christmas, you'll find that at is the perfect preposition to capture the essence of the moment. And with sentences like, at Christmas, my family and I usually get together to exchange gifts, or I can't talk on the phone at the minute because I'm driving, you'll see just how versatile and essential these prepositions can be in everyday conversation. Let's examine the sentences now. At the moment, I cannot go out to play because I am busy right now. I can't talk on the phone at the minute because I'm driving. The situation with the pandemic at present is still uncertain. At this time, we are still in the process of reviewing your application. I can listen to music and study at the same time, as it helps me to stay focused. At Christmas, my family and I usually get together to exchange gifts. I don't like working at night. This ends our lecture here. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video lecture on the proper use of prepositions with respect to time. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember to keep practicing and using these prepositions correctly to improve your English language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, English Language and Literature, for more informative videos like this one. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.